Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to password protect apps or games on Windows 10 and 11. Go to Google, search secret folder download, click the first link, then download and open it. Click yes. Choose your language. Click OK, accept and launch the program. There. Now enter the password you'll use to protect folders. Next, enter an email for password recovery in case you forget it. Click OK. Click Add. Select the game or folder you want to protect. Let's say I want to block Riot games, for example. I click OK. Now wait, I didn't block that one. Let's try Steam instead. I right-click on it. It's on my E drive. In Steam, I click Add, this PC, E drive, type here, select Steam, click OK, and it won't work. To remove the status, we go in, click Unlock twice, or just delete it. Yeah. Even if someone wants to uninstall this program, they'll go to Add, Remove Programs, and find Secret Folder. I'll show you how to delete it. Click Delete twice, then Yes. Click Yes, it'll ask for a password, but I'll delete it. I'll enter the password and delete it. That's all. This was Whaler. Goodbye, everyone.